Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's January 16th, and we're going to do a little update on our tomatoes that we planted, and we're going to pot up our peppers. And here's our little tomatoes. They're coming along. They haven't got their second leaves yet. It's just about time to give them a little water. So it's been 13 days since these have been planted. Now let's take a look at our peppers. And here's our little peppers, our banana peppers, and our Ozark Giants have sprouted. Like I say, we're just going to use about 6 of each of these. The banana peppers sprouted quite a bit earlier. I've left them under the lights. You can see they're getting a little bit stretched out, but we'll take care of that whenever we pot them up. So let's get after it. All right, these are 13 days old. Like I say, peppers germinate a little bit slower, or others aren't showing signs, so they might have a problem with the seed. We might have to redo them. We're going to do our banana peppers first. All we need is 6 of these, so we'll try to pick out 6 pretty good peppers here, which shouldn't be a problem. We've got quite a bit to choose from. You can see they've got some healthy roots coming off of them. We might, this one here, same way. We'll get these 2 over here. They look like they're just a little larger. We'll see if that doesn't lose too many roots. And we're going to do these the same way. We're just going to use our handy dandy tool, same as our tomatoes. If you didn't see that video, you can go back to it. And we're just going to push these on down in here. Now they ain't leggy no more. Whoops. Now, like I say, we're not going to pack these in. We'll water them in. For those of you that's new to this, you can see how easy it is using this method. That one just don't want to go down. We'll redo that hole. Well, normally I wet my potting mix just a little bit better. We might have just gave that in a little too much. But anyway, there we go. Now I want to mention, a lot of times your plants come out, which they had a seed top on some of these. You can just grab the leaves and you can pop that seed. That way it can go ahead and open up and get good light on the leaves for it. But anyway, I'm going to pot these up just like the others. And we'll continue growing our transplants. It's going to take a little while. But anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, self-sufficiency, planting seeds, growing your own food, stuff like that, just click that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be sure to get the notification. And of course, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.